One of the most commonly asked questions that we get is, how can I get a price? There's an instant quote calculator on our website that is by far the easiest way to get the process started. That'll allow us to get the information, collect information, so we can provide you with a great answer. And you will plug in the information like how high you want your fence, what is the direction of the infill materials that you have, how long is the fence, how many gates you need, and the type of infill materials that you want. All of those things are asked on the instant quote form, and once you fill out that information and submit it, you will get an immediate answer as to an approximate range of what your fence will cost. After you get the information you need, you're going to decide if this is within your budget. And if it is, you can select the button to get a detailed price quote. Once you receive your detailed quote, it'll have all the details associated with the cost of the fence. It'll include everything from the posts, the kits, the infill, if you're buying that from us, touch-up paint, shipping costs, stain, all of that will be included for your review. Once you've accepted your quote, we will send you an invoice. Once you receive and pay your invoice, we will put the order into our order system and start preparing your fence to be delivered to your location. Now, there's some time involved in that based on availability of products and shipping schedules, but we'll generally ship out your product within 4 to 6 weeks. Once your fence kit and infill and materials have been shipped, you'll get a notice with the tracking information. The product will be delivered to a local hub, which means that that hub will contact you to schedule delivery to your location. Many of our customers who are installers or contractors are going to have a location to have the product delivered, and they're going to have a forklift available to unload the materials that are shipped. Many of our customers are residential customers, so we really strive to have the product delivered to your house and unloaded for you. It will usually be placed in a driveway or in the front of the yard, and it's all crated and boxed up. In some cases, the local carrier will struggle to get the materials and the forklift and the things they need to deliver it on your driveway. In those cases, you may have to work out something with the local carrier to be able to pick up your fencing products.